Mercury Glass is a fun alternative to regular glass, and it's super easy to make. You're going to need a spray bottle with equal parts water and vinegar, looking glass spray paint, and paper towels. Mix equal parts of water and vinegar in your spray bottle and shake. Lightly spray some of the water and vinegar mixture right onto your glass. Quickly follow it up with some looking glass spray and then dab it with your paper towel. The best part about this DIY is the messier it looks, the better it is. You can do as many coats as you like, it's totally up to you. Each layer makes it look cooler and cooler. Quick tip, make sure that you're using very little water and vinegar. You don't want the spray bottle to run, you want little droplets of water.